What's up, curlies? If you're looking for a new protective style and you simply lack the motivation to spend 20 minutes a day styling your hair, I got you. I'm going to show you how to get these beaut mini twists that will last 3 to 4 weeks and look great. Perfect for these cold winter months. I'm starting by stretching my hair using the Wet to Dry brush by GHD that I was sent as a gift. Of course, you can use any blow drying tool that you want, or alternatively, you can stretch your hair without the heat using braids or twists. I found this tool really simple and effective to use, but I won't be using it frequently due to the risk of heat damage. I'm working in about 4 large sections at a time. This took me about 30 minutes in total. Feel free to use the traptors to skip ahead if you don't want to see me blow dry my hair. Sections, I split my hair into 3 and work across instead of vertically. The first section will be just behind my ear, separating the front and the back of my head. I usually start with the front as it just makes it easier having the hair out of my way when it comes to the back. And because the back is so thick, it demotivates me to start with that as it takes me forever. For the twist, I'm going to use the red gummy gel at my root, and then I'm twisting the section and applying Shine and Jam at the end. I actually switched up my products kind of like halfway through this tutorial just because I found that the Shine and Jam was making my hair a little bit too stretched out for my liking, so I switched to a leave-in conditioner. For the individual twists, I tried to keep tension at the root and roll as I twist my fingers downwards. Cue the slow-mo so it makes a little bit more sense. So you're going to roll your fingers and then you're going to twist at the same time. This technique will keep the hair neater and in place for a little bit longer. Product-wise, I switched up to using some of the Curl Kitchen leave-in conditioner as it gave me a little bit more volume on the twists. Shine and Jam was great, but it was stretching it out a little bit too much and I wanted more volume. Here you can see I've completed the front and the back, right side of my head, and now just finishing off the back. At the top near my crown, I free parted it with my fingers. Sometimes I prefer to just feel how much is in each section as opposed to using a comb to part with. Also, sometimes I get a little bit lazy with the twist and I prefer to do a little bit of a bigger section than a smaller section just due to time. The whole twisting process took me about 3 hours to complete. Obviously, the time will vary depending on the size of your twist, as smaller twists will take you longer. I find that these medium-sized twists are perfect and manageable for me as it still lasts a few weeks without consuming your whole day. I have seen girls do twists for like a whole day or 2 days nearly because they're doing them so tiny and micro. That just isn't within my skill set at the moment, so I'm going to stick to this size. To finish off, I apply some Curl Kitchen oil to my ends just for shine and to lock in the moisture. This is a finished look. I hope I inspired you to try this style and leave me a comment on how you think it turned out. I will see you in the next video.